Today we introduce this BNGL15 dual fuel burner. First of all, we introduce the structure of the machine. The fan of this machine is a single-phase motor with a 0.18 kW. This is called motor, this is called air inlet, this is the valve to adjust the air inlet. It has a scale on it. This is the main burner body, this is the connection mounting flange, and this is the burner tube. This is the fire view mirror of the burner. This is a dual fuel burner which can use gas and oil fuel. First, we will perform the gas ignition operation. This is called gas solenoid valve, which used to control gas consumption. Let's open the bolt. Then turn it counterclockwise 2 turns. Twist clockwise to the end. Then rotate counterclockwise 8 times. OK, tighten the bolts. Open the upper valve and tighten it by turning it in the plus direction. About 2 turns to tighten. This is the adjustment of the gas solenoid valve. We then check the pressure of the gas supply pipeline. We control the gas pressure between 5 and 7 kPa. The unit is kPa. The control pressure is 5 to 7 kPa. If you need to adjust the pressure, you can adjust the bolt of the low pressure valve clockwise to increase the pressure and counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. This is the pipe pressure. There are 2 LPG gas pipelines, those 2 pipelines. The liquid phase enters the gasifier, and then the gasifier heats the temperature to 50 degrees. Finally, the pressure of the gas outlet here is about 70 psi. Then this is a medium pressure reducing valve. Through it the gas pressure becomes 15 psi. The gas then enters the low pressure reducing valve, and the gas pressure drops to 7,000 Pascal after it comes out. This is a gas pipeline. Then we introduce the oil pipeline. We rely on the fuel pump to supply pressure. And then this is a fuel inlet pipe and a fuel return pipe. Manual regulating valve. It is used to adjust the oil pressure. Then we use the oil pressure between 0.4 and 1.2. Recommended control pressure is 0.7 MPa. The pressure range is controlled between 0.4 to 0.7 MPa according to the actual situation. Oil fuel enters the solenoid valve through the oil pipe. This is the oil solenoid valve. This constitutes the entire oil pipeline system. Next, we start the ignition test. First, let's check if the circuit is connected properly. Live wire, neutral wire, ground wire. Ground wire to ground terminal. Turn on the circuit breaker after the power supply wiring is completed. Then the operation light will turn on. There is a choice of oil and gas. We choose gas first and turn it on. Turn on the operation button. Pull out the flame detector to reduce damage to it during testing. Turn off the operation button and the fire out. Now we switch to fuel mode. Turn the switch to oil. Turn on the operation button. Take out the flame detector and start ignition. Pressure 0.7 MPa. Turn off the operation button and the fire out.